Today I'm going to show you how you can create AI Roblox videos. The idea is very simple and the process takes about 5 minutes to create a short video end to end. Only cost associated with it is the generation of the image and the generation of the video, which should be about $1 per video. But let's get started because the process is very simple. First of all, what are we going to be creating? We're going to create these kind of videos that have gameplay on the downside here, and on the top end, we have an AI influencer. We are going to use NanoBanana and Veo 3.1 to generate the influencer. Some people may ask, why not Sora 2? The reason is that Sora 2 through API is very restricted and doesn't allow you to generate influencers. The game below will be Roblox, but you can literally put any game you want. This is very simple to do. If you play GTA, if you play whatever other kind of game you want, you can just replace the gameplay below and the subject of the video. But the idea and the main thing we're going to be doing is getting this influencer done through the AI process. Finally, you can edit out this video together and make it into a short using CapCut, DaVinci, which are free video editors. Takes just 1 hour to learn how to do very simple edits with them. So yeah, let's begin. First of all, the prompts for everything will be in my school community on the link down below in the description. It's completely free for you to join the community. Go in Classroom, click Video Generation, and then go to YouTube Shorts Influencer Automation inside the prompts category. The first thing is we want title generation. The title generation is going to allow us to get multiple YouTube video titles which we can use. By the way, I have also given you this PT script creation where there is all this conversation of mine with the exact process I used to generate all of the assets of today's video. Then we want to create an image generator prompt for NanoBanana. I used this subject as a reference and it generated me this image that you will see on screen right now. So that's nice. I wanted a brunette girl with a red lipstick and blue headphones. So I added this image here just as reference for you guys. And then what we did was create some reaction prompts. So if you see these YouTube channels, Amy Roblox, Real Rosa, Bansky, all of these Roblox channels have some Roblox videos and then they put an influencer with a small reaction on top. So the whole video is not, with the avatar generated, that would cost a lot. What they do is add some reactions of maybe 10 to 20 seconds per video using the AI avatar at very specific points, and the rest of the video is just a Roblox video. If you play Roblox, then good for you because you could create your own gameplay on the back end. Otherwise, you want to search into YouTube. For example, here I'm searching for Roblox jumpscare and I find some YouTube videos which I can use as a reference to create my own ones. Okay, so we need to make sure that we edit out a lot of things and make sure that we do a very good edit with subtitles and change the audios so we don't get any kind of copyright claim. But yeah, the idea is that you want to have some kind of gameplay. Scary gameplays, jump scares work very well. So after we do that, we get this scared reaction. So now we have every reaction that we need. We have the prompt to generate the girl and we can get started with the AI generation. So the application I'm using for all of my AI stuff in today's video is called FlexClip. On the first link down below in the description, I'm going to bring it to you because inside here you can use multiple AI tools. They've got also a video editor where you can stitch up everything if you don't have DaVinci or you don't know how to use this stuff. So the first thing is we want to click on our dashboard AI tools and then go to image. Click AI text to image and here we want to select Google NanoBanana. We want to paste a reference image. You can take the image I have in my school community as a reference and here we need to write the prompt. This prompt is the prompt that we use to create the AI avatar. You can take this prompt and change it to reflect your own style, lighting and colors. So this is the prompt we want to use. We paste it here, click generate. You can increase the image count so you get multiple variants. In my case, I got these two variants. I liked the right one more because it has a slight tilt and the hands are not shown. So I, went ahead and downloaded this. After I did that, I went to AI image to video through the dashboard of FlexClip. You just click video and you click AI video generator and you select image to video. On the model here, you want to select VO 3.1. You could also try out Google VO 3 Fast or Google VO 3. All of these three options are very, very good. Actually, if you want to minimize your cost while you test this process out, I would suggest VO 3 Fast. It's equally good and costs just half of the price of VO 3.1. So if you're starting out and you don't have a lot of funds, go ahead and use that. So the idea here is very, very simple. We upload the image of our model. We select VO 3.1 or fast. I would suggest that you select at least 6 to 8 seconds of video generation and select this 16:9 aspect ratio. Here on the prompt, we want to add our reaction prompts. So I have given you some of the reaction prompts over here. You can generate just 5 videos with 5 different types of reactions and just use these 5 videos on all of the videos you are going to be creating. That's also possible. So in case of demonstration, at the same time that this video gets uploaded and gets public, I will upload on my channel, the channel you see over here, a small Roblox video using these exact assets and these exact videos so we can see how it goes. That would be really, really interesting. So at the end of the day, what you want to do is go ahead and download the video we created. So let me show you what we created. This is like the video, the final generation. Let's check it out.
Okay, that actually scared me.
Okay, so I really, really like this generation. This was done by VO 3 Fast. And let me show you what VO 3.1 did, just to get a little bit of a comparison.
Let's go! That was insane.
So this is also pretty nice, especially in a video format for a phone. People are not going to be able to easily see that it's AI, so that's super cool as well. So you can see, 2 different types of generations from these models. Obviously, VO 3 Fast is just as good as it needs to be. So I'm going to download this clip here and I'm going to show you how to edit this video out. So I'm going to get this video over here. Okay, so YouTube Shorts Downloader. We're going to download this video. Okay. Again, it's very important that you do a lot of editing on the videos you download from YouTube so you don't get any copyright strikes or claims. After you edit out a video for quite a while, it stops, being eligible for a copyright claim because you have added a lot of value on top of it. Again, all of the prompts, everything will be inside the school community. I will also add the link for FlexClip there, but you can also find it down below in the description. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be using Adobe Premiere Pro for the editing part. Doesn't really matter. There's no difference between video editors. Just go ahead and use CapCut if you are new. And it's really simple, guys. You just drag and drop and click 3 buttons and you got the shorts video ready. So I'm importing the media, which is this video and the girl. So we upload that. We can see it here. We can upload this video as well. I'm selecting a different resolution for the video, 1080p 9020. We'll make this smaller like that. So I'm going to keep the part that the girl is laughing like that. And this is the part of the jump scare. I'm just going to make this bigger, drag it a little down. So let's see.
Okay, that actually scared me.
Okay, so we need to move this part a little bit behind. And boom.
Okay, that actually scared me.
Boom. And the video is ready. Like, look at this. Okay, so the video is ready. We have the girl laughing. Then we're going to do a little bit of an edit here. Just cut this, add the zoom in. All right, let's see. Okay, so here I'm going to add the sound effect. You can search on YouTube suspense sound effect.
Okay, that actually scared me.
And some creepy music on the background. Okay, so we have some creepy music. On the back end, we got the girl with the reactions here, the audio. We can also go ahead, text, click transcribe. So what this is going to do is create some captions for the video. This is always very useful. So yeah, let's go create captions from transcript. Always make sure to have up to 15 captions in a single clip, single line captions. Okay, so these are the captions. I'm going to do some editing just to make them look a little better. Oh, okay, that's that. Okay, let's revert the edits, I guess. Okay, I'm clicking here, upgrade graphic to caption, and I'm going to make a small edit to these. Simple as that. Okay, take that, push it here, increase these.
Okay, that actually scared me.
Okay, so I'm going to change a little bit the sound here, just remove a little bit of the sound effect.
Okay, that actually scared me.
Boom, the video is ready, guys. Simple as that. Like, you got a little bit, we have the girl laughing, you got the zoom effect, everything is very clear, a sound effect,
Okay,
background sound, and then the scary part is happening. Boom, the video is ready, very fast, very simple. Now a lot of people will tell me, okay, Iro, we didn't really understand what you do, like especially the edit part. Well, the goal of today's video is not the edit part, is to show you the rest of the part. Then all you have to do is add the video of the influencer on top, gameplay on the backend. Auto transcription is available on all of the video editing platforms. You just take the transcripts, make them beautiful, add 1 or 2 sound effects, scary audio on the backend. You're good to go. Test this out.